My amazing viewers, let's prepare the most satisfying fried fish today. This is the fish, the garnishing, and the finishing part of the garnishing is this. I promise you will love this recipe when you follow me from the beginning of this video to the end and try it out later, and you'll be grateful that you did. This is the fish with some of the ingredients that we'll use for the preparation of this fish for dinner. So stay tuned, let's get started. I will start by cleaning the fish. So I'll use this type of knife and this rough edge that looks like bread knife. I'll use it for the cleaning to remove the thick body. As you can see me doing it, it doesn't take time if you use something like this. It won't take you up to 5 minutes in order to remove all those thick body, thick bones. As you can see it, I've removed that within a second. So I will turn the back to show you what I've done with the same knife. I've cleaned this side with this, as you can see it, with this particular knife. I've done that with it. It didn't take me up to 2 minutes to achieve that. As you can see it, the bones, you cannot see those thick bones on the body again. But in order to remove the slime, you use this part, this smooth side of the knife to remove it. As you can see it, if you want to remove the slime on the fish, this is how I did it. This is how I did it. You just use the smooth side, the smooth edge of the knife to do it. Scrape it like this and remove the slimes. After removing the thick cover. So that's it. But I will also remove all this fin. Even the tail, I'll cut it off. And also remove the organs. This is the fish. After cleaning it, I removed the organs inside and also the fin, the tail, I cut them off. Then used enough salt to wash it. If you have another option on how to clean it faster and best, you can also share with us in the comment section. These are the ingredients that we'll use for the spicing before frying it. Salt, curry cube, seasoning cube, grinded pepper, dry pepper, then thyme and pepper soup spice. We'll mix all together and apply on it and allow it to stay for some time. I will now use serviette paper to clean the fish, to drain, in order to drain some water, just to drain some water from the fish because it's going into oil. And I'm going to as well spice it so that water will not be on the body much because it's wet. So that is what I'm doing currently. Next is to combine the spices together. As you can see me doing it, I'll combine it together and set it aside. Then the pepper soup spice, I'll now add it and mix everything together as well and then set it aside. Next is to cut the fish, just to use knife to slice into it, not very deep, like 4 or 5 places in both sides before spicing it. As you can see me doing it, so that it will cook properly, it will fry very well and the spice will be able to reach everywhere, touch it, and it will have a good taste. I'm done with that. So it's now time to spice it. As you can see me doing it, I will now put all the mixed spices inside it. After putting it, I will allow it to stay for some time, like for some minutes before frying it, so that it will be able to, the spices will be able to penetrate into it a little bit before frying. This is what I am doing. I will put all these fresh tomatoes inside the head before putting it inside the oil. The oil is hot now. I will now put, this is it. I've put the fish inside the oil for frying. It's now frying. Welcome to Glory Food and Pastries. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, thank you so much for clicking this channel. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for your support and thank you for the likes and shares. The down part has properly fried. It's now time to turn it so that the upper part will also fry. This is it. Turning it. Wow, it has started burning, but not much. Yes, this is it. I've turned the upper part of it to also fry. The down parts have also fried very well, and I'll remove it now. Next thing is to stir fry some of my veggies like cabbage. I'll use olive oil for the stir frying, like 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'll spread it all over the pan and add my onion and fry for some minutes. I will stir fry this for some minutes. After stir frying the onion for 2 minutes, I just added my spices. This is peso spice that I just added with curry powder, thyme, seasoning cube and salt. I'll mix all together and add my sliced fresh pepper. I'll add it together and then go in with my fresh tomatoes is next. I'll add it and stir fry it for a minute or 2. The last thing I'll add now is sliced green pepper and cabbage. I just realized that my choice of frying pan is small, but I will manage it that way. I will not change it. I will just add this and stir fry. I will stir fry it for 2 minutes and bring it down. I will not allow it to cook properly. If you are part of this family, thank you so much for being part of Glory Food and Pastries. If you have not liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up, like this video, comment, and subscribe if you have not done that. Also click the bell icon so that your notification will be on whenever I drop a new video. You will get a notification. Yes, this is the best part of the video that I like so much. This garnishing, I enjoy it a lot. This is it, garnishing it with our stir fry cabbage and some tomatoes and the other ingredients mixed together with it. This is it. Wow. This fried fish with using this recipe should be a must try. You will enjoy it so much. You will like it. You will love it. In fact, these are some of the veggies that I will use for the garnishing. Now I'm garnishing with carrots. I'm now using carrots to garnish it. These are carrots that I'm using on them. Now is this is sliced onion. Next is sliced cucumber. That is what I'm using now to garnish it. That is it. Whoa. Next is tomato, sliced tomato. That is what I'm using. This is good. This is the outcome of it. And it's now time to taste. Tasting time. I'll now open the stomach so that you see that there is nothing inside it. I removed all the organs before seasoning it for frying. This is it. It's empty. It's empty. I'll now taste. Whoa, this is good. Awesome. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe and see you in my next video. Bye.